Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ginger Me Glam. I am doing these special toy reveals here from the Toy Insider because I went to the Sweet Sweet at Home virtual conference where I got to see all the fun back to school, summer, and a sneak preview of some things I can see for the holiday season. Now, I know what you're thinking. This isn't a toy channel. Correct. But I'm a glam mom, and I know that there are moms all around that are watching, or there are dads that are watching, and other people, everyone that's watching and wants to know what toys are going to be hot for the season. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, okay, well, shouldn't you have your own toy channel? Well, here's the deal. So I'm a mom, and I know that I want to hear from another mother's perspective what the toys, they have, what they have inside, what do they look like, what's the price, what's the age range, and is it cute? Is it functional? Is it teaching something? What does it do? Well, in this video, I want to show you Ravel Tales. Super cute. I actually reached out to the brand from the event, and they sent me the Ravel Tales. So cute! And I'm going to be taking it apart and opening it up as an unboxing and letting you know my 100% red hot thoughts. So that way yes, I was sent this and this is sponsored, but they're my thoughts. So let's go ahead and take a look and unravel, because the more you unwind, the more you find. Let's take a look. What's inside? Okay, so unwind to find Ravel Tales. Collect them all. Look how cute! Oh my goodness, oh my gosh, it's nice and cute. Wow, it's like a little puff ball. It says it's got bed filler. Okay, so it looks like we're going to be making a pet bed. Oh wow, okay, so then it also has instructions. All right, so oh wow, okay, so if you've ever wanted to know how to make pom-poms, this is a great little cheat sheet. Has the instructions here. Also, it shows you how to make the pet bed. Oh wow, and it has the ruler. That's very helpful. Teaches you friendship bracelets, necklace. Ooh, and a pet collar. Oh, how cute. Okay, so there's many different options that you can explore with your Ravel Tail. Now let's see. And this is from Series 1. Now it has these little check boxes so you can collect and keep track of which ones that you have. So let's take a look and see what's inside. The Ravel Tail, here it is. Look at that. Woo! Oh, so much fun. Okay, so and it's really soft. It's almost like the yarn that you would get, to knit. Very, very similar. All right, so it says bed filler. Let's pull. Oh, okay. And this is the little plastic needle for sewing. Okay, here we go. All right. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, let's do this. Like a cat. Oh my gosh. You're probably watching like, what is going on with this mama. It's okay. We're in quarantine. It gives me something to do too. So if my son's not into the sewing part, I will definitely be picking it up. But I think sewing, even in this basic form, is something good to teach everyone, because let's be honest, you never know when you're going to need to sew something. And it's helpful, especially on the go, and you don't have to pay someone else to do it. So much fun. Wow, okay, so we're still unraveling. Okay. We're still unraveling here. Ooh. Okay. All right, so it looks like the first layer here, we're done. And then you have this layer. Still don't know which one we have, but we'll take a look. We start here, and then we unwind. Let's see. This is a lot of fun. It teaches patience for sure, but also that you're going to use every part of this toy to create something. And that's what's really interesting, that you get to not only spend time with the toy, but actually learning skills that you can use outside of just creating the toy together and have fun. So you can see, still unraveling. It's a lot of fun because you start to peel it back and you're like, oh, which one do I have? It's pink. If you want to see that up close, we've got the star and then we have the heart. Oh, so cute. Oh, look at Pookles. Oh. Woof, woof. So cute. And it has these little like spots. It has the little Ravel Tales yarn ball on there. I just love the colors. Like if I were a dog, I would want to look like this. I mean, I do have pink eyeshadow and pink lipstick. I feel like I coordinated very well for this without even knowing. It's literally a mystery box, so you don't even know what's in it. And the fact that it's like a collect them all mystery kind of series, it gives you that excitement of like, oh, which one did I get? And you have all these fun different activities that you can create with your Ravel Tales. Cool. Okay, so then you have the stickers. So cute. And oh, it has a little heart bed. Oh, adorable. So what you can do is then loop through. Remember, where did that go? Okay. And see, everything is marked, which is really great. That way you know what goes in there. So this is actually going to go inside of the bed, and then you're going to close it through with these loops with this. And let's see. This one said this is the bed yarn. So this is the yarn we're going to use to loop it through. And then we have all this extra yarn for the bracelet. Oh, that's so cute. And a necklace. That's so fun. I'm so excited because there are different activities that I can do here. So it's like I can make all the pom-poms now that I have found the pom-pom maker. And you know that this is for the bed because it says bed filler. And it has like the little charms. These are so cute. Look, there is a yarn ball. There's a strawberry. Cute little teacup. A paw print. Oh, yeah, and then all this fun, colorful, cool color yarn. Sticker. I hope you enjoyed watching the Ravel Tales Series 1 unboxing with Pookles. Super excited that it is pink because, let's be honest, that is my favorite color. And I know that my son's gonna go wild, especially learning the different crafts, and we can make pom-poms together because usually I have pom-pom earrings in, and now we can make pom-pom keychains and whatnot, and I know he's gonna love it. If you're loving this video, thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this. I wanna do more, and remember, this is for everyone that wants to check the boxes on getting the cutest little gifts for the little ones. If you wanna see more toys from the Toy Insider Sweet Sweet at Home collaboration that I'm doing with Sunny Day and Ravel Tales, then give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you loved about Ravel Tales or what you're most excited to see next, and we'll see you next time. Bye, thank you.